Hello guys and welcome to Frank's Handyman. Today we're gonna be looking at a bunch of little things that we did today. We ended up doing a bunch of different projects at this house. We're gonna be putting down this screen door as you see here, and then we're also gonna do a little step in the front door and also be putting a mirror in the bathroom. But right now his main focus is gonna be putting down the screen door, and then right now he's gonna be drilling the holes to put in what's gonna be the door handle. Oh man, espera solo.
Bien, 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 bien.
Once he finished putting down the last drills here for the screen door, then as you can see here, it was now functional and it came out perfect. And now what he's going to be focusing on is moving on to painting in the bathroom where they're going to be putting the mirror. He's going to paint it first and then let it dry. And while he waits till it dries, he's going to be working on the step in front of the door. And as you can see here, now that he's done, it came out looking great. So now that the paint also dried in the bathroom, he's gonna move on into there and start putting the mirror. All really he has to focus is making sure that it's leveled and it's centered. And then once he gets that down, he's just gonna put the drills there, as you see, and then he's just gonna hang the mirror. And at this point, all he has to do now is just put the cover for the light bulbs here, and then he's just gonna screw everything back on there. And after this, you're gonna see the before and after pictures, and they came out looking great. And tomorrow we're gonna have something new, so stay tuned, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day.